Calhoun County in Florida. North Central Wakulla County in Big Bend, Florida. Gadsden County in Big Bend, Florida. Northeastern Liberty County in Big Bend, Florida.
6 hours.
Southwestern Leon County in Big Bend, Florida. Until 2:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Or 1:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:36 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Or 12:36 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Chattahoochee to near Tallahassee College and are nearly stationary. Hazard 60 miles per hour with gusts. Impact. Expect damage to roofs, siding.
Hey, it's not my fault that the weather's bad.
Locations impacted include Quincy, Midway, Crawfordville, Tallahassee, Greensboro, Chattahoochee, Sneed, Red Bank, Lake Bradford,
Kyle walked outside and looked in the sky.
Douglas City, Summit, Lake Munson, Rosedale, Hendersonville, and 8 Mile Pond. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency.
This SVR is not for 3 hours.
In Tallahassee. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close.
Now to go scream at Noah WX fan.